Look at this magnificent place. The Forge was designed to be something specially different, to bring our partners together under one umbrella, to share in our friends, our family, our networked connections and our customers, to enjoy each other's prosperity and abundance, to forge new relationships, to forge new thinking in this AI-generated time. This amazing statue created by Steve, who designed a bound rune. The bound rune is one rune at the bottom called Degaz. Degaz is all about the future, the way we go forward. And above we have Othala, the rune of history and legacy. So we've bound these two runes to set us into this exponential time and into the future we're about to step into.